Deputy Chief Minister and NPP State President Prestone Tynsong has targeted VPP on its stand as far as the use of Hindi language, even as he accused the newly floated party of being dramatic. Speaking to media persons here on Tuesday, Prestone Tynsong referred to a recent appeal of VPP in Hindi language. He said that inside the assembly, VPP says something and outside they say something else. It may be mentioned that VPP legislators had strongly opposed the address of the Meghalaya governor in Hindi inside the assembly.
From them. I'm not here to reply on their behalf. But I've seen even the appeal. They have written it in Hindi. I don't know from where did they get this, this professional to draft this Hindi statement or Hindi appeal. So better ask from them. But my personal opinion is, it looks so dramatic because inside the assembly you say something, and outside the assemblies, and then not only that, during the campaign, again you say something else. So I think we leave it to the wisdom of the voters. Let the voters ask this question at the appropriate time.
As the upcoming Lok Sabha election draws